I'm growing all of my social media accounts with one video. And in this video, I want to teach you what is my process for using one video to grow on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook. So keep watching so I can show you how we're doing it and how you can do it too. So welcome back to my channel where I am teaching you all things about how to make money online by using social media. And in this video, I'm literally going to show you what it is that I am doing so that I can maximize my time with content creation, but also be able to distribute my content everywhere so I can make money everywhere. Because one of the things to know is that we are all really busy. We all have so much going on all day, every day, and we don't want to constantly be filming content. I don't know about you, but at least I don't want to always be filming content. I want to actually be enjoying life, traveling, and doing all the things. And so we had to come up with a method that would allow us to be able to do so. So I like to call this my explode method because I'm taking one piece of content and I am exploding it. So I want to go ahead and go through what that looks like to utilize this method. So one of the first things I like to do is I want to choose what topics is my audience searching, okay? Because it's one thing to just create a video and then utilize it in different places. And it's another thing if I'm choosing topics that my audience is really, really searching for so that I can give them exactly what they want, which is when they reach my content that causes them to enjoy it and causes them to follow me, which helps my content explode. So I'm going to first start you off with how to find the best content ideas. So the first thing I like to use is a website called answerthepublic.com. Answerthepublic.com. And basically what happens on this website is this website knows what exactly people are searching right now. What people are searching right now. So if I go and Answer the Public right now and I type in social media, it's going to tell me what are the top things people are searching for when it comes to social media. If I want to narrow it down, I may say Instagram or Instagram Reels or TikTok marketing. And when I can see exactly what my audience is searching for, then I know that I can create content that they will be interested in. But in addition to that, I can actually take it a step further. One of the places I like to use is TikTok. Is that if I go over to TikTok and I type in Instagram Reels or TikTok marketing, first of all, before I ever hit search, I'm going to see a drop down menu of all the other key phrases people have searched, which is helping me to know here are some things people are searching for. In addition to that, once I hit enter, I'm going to see the top content in that area that has performed the best. Well, their content topic are great topics for me. I'm not going to copy all their bullet points. It's just the topic, and it's telling me this is the top videos that people have watched in this particular search. In addition to that, if you keep scrolling on TikTok, you're going to see a box that says other searches, and that's going to show you even the more what people are searching for. The next thing I like to use is I like to use TikTok's new tool, which is called Creator Search Insights. Now that tool is quite amazing because one of the things that tool does is that it's going to tell you a gap, right? So here is my topic, TikTok marketing, Instagram Reels, social media, whatever. And it's going to tell me what's the gap? What are people searching for that they're not actually seeing enough content around? All right. And so that means everybody's looking for this content and it's nowhere to be found. And if I create this content, then they're going to find my videos and they're going to watch my content because they don't have enough. And if I have mine there, then they can find it. But then the last thing I like to do is I like to go to good old YouTube, good old YouTube, and I will type in my topic. I will type in TikTok marketing or things about TikTok or Instagram Reels. And guess what? YouTube is going to show me the top performing videos in that search. Now, because where we're going to start is we're going to start with a long video, which is a YouTube video, and then we're going to break it down into other videos. So I will utilize YouTube and say, okay, these are the top 5 topics in my particular search. Here are 5 different videos I need to create on my own. I'm not going to copy their content. I'm not going to copy their bullet points. I'm going to do my own thing in my own way. But here are the topics that when I search for this, here are the ones that come up. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually prepare to film my video. And the focus is going to be a 20 to 30 minute horizontal video that we're gonna place on YouTube, okay? And so I'm gonna start with my script, okay? So I'll go 1 to 7 different bullet points that I'm gonna highlight in that video. That way I have enough content to talk about for 20 to 30 minutes, all right? So in addition to having that bullet point of what I'm gonna talk about in that video, I am gonna make sure that I film myself at a distance. You'll understand in a minute, but I'm gonna film myself at a distance. So right now I'm filming myself at a distance. So I'm here and my camera is a little bit over there. So it's a bit zoomed out. That way I have some room to do some things with that particular content. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and film that video. Now, I am gonna pause between each point. I'm gonna give point 1, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna pause. And then I'm gonna give point 2, and when I'm done, I'm gonna pause. Okay. I'll talk to you about that in just a second. So then once I have that video, then I'm going to go ahead and edit that YouTube video. And now I'm going to go ahead and put that up on YouTube. But what I'm going to do next is the kicker. I'm going to use a tool that is called Opus clips. Okay. You can go to opus.pro and there is actually a link in the description. And what happens is that video that I just recorded for YouTube, I can upload that video into Opus clips. And what it's going to do, it's going to clip that video. It can clip my video into short horizontal videos so that I have multiple videos for my YouTube channel. It's also going to clip the videos into short vertical clips. That is why you want to film at a distance, because if you wanted to cut it up into short vertical clips, you got to have enough space in between you and the camera so that as the tool zooms in, that they're not zooming in too close like this, but there actually is enough distance. So this video here, I'm not going to put into Opus because it's actually pretty close. But if it was at the distance, I could put it into Opus. And then when they go to zoom in to make everything vertical, then it's just enough space to do a vertical short form video. Now, once I upload that video into Opus, Opus is going to go ahead and they're going to give me the hottest clips from that video. Sometimes if it's a 30-minute video, it can give me up to 20 different clips, okay? And it's also gonna rank them. It's gonna say, okay, here is the one with the best hook. Here's the hook for the video. Here are the captions to go along with that video. And here is a potential description, right? They're gonna rank it like out of 100, where is this video scoring? And you're gonna see, of course, as it goes lower, that the score is gonna go down, but the content that it chops up, now you have to be able to share on other platforms. Now, you could also edit this content on the inside of Opus, because once you're actually inside of the Opus tool, what's going to happen is that you choose whichever clip, you go into it. Now you can make edits. If there are different ways that they caption your words and they've got it wrong, you can edit that. If you do not like where the video started and stopped, you can choose where you want it to start and stop pretty easily. If you want to add some additional B-roll to your video, you can do that as well, all on the inside of the tool Opus. And so once you're done with all the different edits, you just download your individual videos, and guess what? Now you're going to take those videos and you're going to prepare to share them on the other platforms, but not just yet. So let's just say we're going to take our top 5 clips that we're going to share on all the different platforms, okay? Then what you're gonna do is you wanna go ahead and write the caption, okay? So you got your 5 videos, you wanna go ahead, not caption, description. You wanna go ahead and write a detailed description that you're gonna put along with each video. In addition to that, now you're gonna choose your hook, and not the hook that's gonna be in the actual video. That's already there. This is the hook that's gonna be like on your thumbnail or gonna be at your title, because we know when you upload something to YouTube Shorts, you put a description and a title. You want to do the exact same thing for TikTok, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for YouTube, for Instagram, for all of them. So you write the caption, you write the title, and now you've got all of that for every single video. Now you can then schedule it. Put one of them for Monday, another one for Tuesday, another for Wednesday, another one for Thursday and Friday, all for Instagram. And then you can jumble them for Facebook. Then you can jumble them for TikTok, and then so on and so on and so on. So now that one video you created for YouTube has now been chopped into a bunch of different clips. Now remember, it can give you up to like 20 or 30 different videos, not just 5. I just said grab 5. And now you've got enough content for like probably a couple weeks to distribute to multiple different platforms, even if you are posting every single day. And so Opus is a tool that we like to use, so that way I'm not always filming content. I just film one long horizontal piece of content like this, and then I upload it into the Opus tool to help me with content creation and not having to always do everything every single day. So if you're interested in using Opus, you actually can get started with Opus for free. Just click the link here in the description and you can sign up and you can get started using Opus right now. They've got amazing tutorials that are going to teach you how to be able to use the tool. It's actually pretty easy though. But also, if you found this video valuable, be sure to like it, subscribe. I got videos that come out every single week here on this channel. So thank you so much for watching.